Fixing high CPU usage on Google Chrome is very simple. Now, believe it or not, there is an option where you can exactly see what process uses up a bunch of CPU right here. All you have to do is tap the three dots and then go ahead and hover over more tools, and you will see Task Manager right here. If you click into it, you will see a bunch of stuff right here. Basically, what you can do is go around and see whatever uses the most amount of CPU. You can use this metric right here to see that, and then if you find one high enough, you can click on it and then click on End Task. Of course, make sure it is something that you don't use, otherwise of course you might close a tab that is important to you. Now once this is done, you can go ahead and go to the three dots and then click on Settings. Go to Extensions and make sure if you don't use an extension, just remove it. That's gonna free up some CPU as well. Go to System and then go ahead and make sure the Use the Graphics Acceleration when available option is turned on. Now you can also go ahead and click on the three dots and then go ahead and click on Delete Browsing Data. If you do that, you can delete the all-time browsing data there and basically free up some CPU space as well. Happy fixing high CPU usage and have fun